Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 21st July 2020 and your chapter number 4 was going on. Name of the fourth chapter is Factors and Multiples, and this is your page number 1. Students, till now in chapter 1, chapter 4th, all the exercise, mental maths questions, mixed bag questions and worksheet has been finished. So now today I want to start the higher order thinking skills question, that is also called the hot questions. So now today's higher order thinking skills questions. Okay, in short form it is called HOTS questions. Okay, so look here. In question number 1, what it has been given? In the question number 1, it has been given 6 and 8 are factors of a number, comma, and 72 and 96 are its multiples, comma, full stop. Which of these could be this number? 4 options has been given here: A 16, B 24, C 48 and D 192. So students, first try to understand this question. Here in the question it has been with 6 and 8 are factors of a number. 6 और 8 किसी नंबर के फैक्टर्स हैं एंड 72 एंड 96 आर इट्स मल्टीपल्स, और उनके जो मल्टीपल्स हैं वो 72 और 96 हैं. आपको ये बताना है विच ऑफ दिस कुड बी दिस नंबर. आपको ये बताना है इनमें से वो नंबर कौन सा है. ओके, सो लुक द सॉल्यूशन. Students, it is so simple. Only here you will find out the HCF. Okay, so you will find out the HCF of numbers, and these numbers, it means 72 and 96 का आप LCM factors निकालोगे firstly. So prime factors of 72 is equal to, and then after that you will find out prime factors of 96. Okay, so look here in the rough column, how can we find out the prime factors? I have already taught to you about the prime factors in the previous exercises. Okay, so look here again. It will be divisible by 2 firstly, 36, then 18, then 9, then 3, then 3 1 3 again. So here you will find out 3 times 2, okay, and 2 times 3. Okay, then after that you will also find out the factors of 96. So look here, factors of 96, how can you find out the prime factors? 2 4s are 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 2s are 2 4s are, then after that 24, so 24 is also divisible by 2, 12, then 2 2 6 are, then 2 3s are, then 3 1 are. So how many times 2 has come? I have seen here 1 2 3 4 5 times 2 has come. So you will write it here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We have written it as like this 5 times 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 times 3 has come. So you will write it here also. Okay. So after that you know about that when we want to find out the HCF on the basis of the prime factors. So we will find out the common factors. So common factors is equal to, so here we can see it, here it has been come 2 has been come 3 times and here 2 has been come 5 times. So what are the commons? 3 times 2, so you will write it here 3 times 2, and here 3 has come 2 times, and in the prime factors of 96 3 has come in 1 time. So what are the common factors? 3 only 1 time. Now you will multiply it. 2 2s are 4, then 2 into 3, okay, then 4 2s are 8, 8 into 3, then 8 3s are 24. So here you have find out the multiples of common factor is 24. So therefore this is your HCF. So you will write it here HCF is equal to 24. But here HCF आपसे नहीं पूछा, क्या पूछा? Which of these could be this number? Okay, so you will write the answer 24 is the number here, or you can write it number. So you can see 24 is the option number B, so you will write here B option also. Okay, so this is your solution number 1 of HOTS questions. Any doubt, students? If you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query. Now next question from next page. So PTO, please turn over. Okay, look here, students, this is your page number 2 of today's class. Okay, and question number 2 has been given at 3-digit number is 45, then star has been given. Okay, the digit in the units place is not known, and is shown by a star, full stop. The product of the 3 digits is 40, full stop. What does star stand for? Okay, and 4 options has been also given here. Option number A 1, option number B 2, option number 3 C, option number C is 3, and option number D has been given 4. Okay, so look the solution, but before see the solution, first try to understand this question. Here in the question it has been given at 3-digit number is 4 5 star. It means 3 digit का कोई number है जिसमें आपको यहाँ 2 digit दे रहा है, 4 और 5 दे रहा है, and third digit has not been given. उसकी जगह क्या, थर्ड डिजिट की जगह यहाँ स्टार बना है. ओके, द डिजिट इन द यूनिट्स प्लेस इज नॉट नोन. आपको ये नहीं पता है कि यहाँ पर जो हमारा डिजिट है वो क्या होगा, सो हमने इसको किससे रखा है, स्टार से मेंशन किया है. ओके, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द 3 डिजिट इज 40. अगर हम इन 3 डिजिट का प्रोडक्ट करते हैं, प्रोडक्ट मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स यू नो अबाउट दैट, प्रोडक्ट मीन्स दैट विल बी रिलेटेड ऑन द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. इट मीन्स जो हमारे डिजिट्स दिए अगर हम तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सो आफ्टर दैट वी हैव फाइंड आउट 40, हमको 40 मिलता है. सो व्हाट डज स्टार्स स्टैंड फॉर, तो आपको ये बताना है स्टार की जगह क्या है. ओके, सो नाउ लुक द सॉल्यूशन. Let us suppose star is equal to x. हमने मान क्या लिया, स्टार की जगह x है. सो नंबर हैज बीन गिवन 3 digit number is equal to 4 5 and star has been given. So now number is 4 5 and x. So product of their number, product of their digits is equal to 4 into 5 into x. It has been given. So as per question, what has been given, product of these digits. Here it has been given the product of the 3 digit is 40. It means if we multiplied these digits, so we have find out the answer. As multiplication is 40, so we will multiply it. 4 into 5 into x is equal to 40. Clear? So now how can we find out? 4 5s are 20. 20 into x is equal to 40. It has been find out. Students, I have already taught to you about that. If in the left hand side there is any number, so when you want to try there is any number in multiplication symbol, when you want to transfer to your right hand side, so it has been converted with the division. So 20 into x is equal to 40, so x is equal to 40 divided by 20. Okay, this is numerator and this is denominator. So you know about the table of 20. 20 when you are 20, 20 2s are 40. So when we have divided, so x is equal to 2. हमने 20 से 40 में डिवाइड किया, so after that we have find out 2. So x is 2. So what was x? you have suppose let us suppose star is equal to x. It means the value of star is x, so x is equal to 2. So therefore, so you will write it here, therefore star is equal to 2. So you will write it here, answer. In the question it has been given what does star stands for, okay, or what does the third digit of this number. So you can also write it here, option number B you have find out, so you will write B, option B, okay. The third digit is 2, okay. You will write it here also. It means star is equal to 2. So that is your answer. Clear, students? If you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query, okay. So now students, this is your page number 3rd, okay. There are 5 questions it has been given in your HOTS questions. So now we will start the 3rd question. Question 3rd. In question 3rd it has been given circle A contains multiples of 2, circle B contains multiples of 3 and circle C contains multiples of 4, full stop. X represents the smallest common number, common multiple, not number, common multiple of the 3 numbers, full stop. What is X? Question mark. So look here, students, one diagram has been also given here, okay. Diagram has been given this, okay. So look the diagram also. There are 3 circles has been given, one here, another circle has been given as like this, okay, and third circle has been given as like this, okay. Here are the 3 circles has been given, okay. Here it has been written circle A, okay. Then after that here written as like circle B, then this is circle C, okay. Numbers has been given 2, 6, 3, 9, 16, and X has been given here, okay. So this is the diagram, and 2 numbers has been also given here, 4 and 8, okay. 2, 4, 8, 6, 9, 3, 9, 16, and X has been given here. It has been given. Try to understand the question. Circle A contains multiples of 2. सर्कल ए जो है वो मल्टीपल्स 2 का है, सर्कल बी 3 का मल्टीपल्स है, एंड सर्कल सी जो है वो 4 का मल्टीपल्स है, ओके. एक्स रिप्रेजेंट द स्मॉलेस्ट कॉमन नंबर. ये एक्स जो है यहाँ पर लिखा है, ये स्मॉलेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल है ऑफ द 3 नंबर्स. तीनों नंबर का क्या कॉमन नंबर है. So what is X? So this is so simple, students. Here only you will find out the LCM. But first write the options. A option has been given 12. B option has been given 24. C option has been given 10. And D option has been given 120. Okay. This is the question. Okay. So look the solution. Solution. Students, the numbers has been given, multiples has been given, 2, 3 and 4 के multiples हैं. So you will find out the LCM. So here it has been given, X represent the smallest common multiple of the 3 numbers. So you will write it here, smallest common multiple is equal to, then you will find out the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Numbers 2, 3 and 4. 2 1 जा 2, 3 का 3, 2 2 जा 4. Then 1 का same as it is to 3, same 2 1 जा 2, and you know about that 3 will be divisible by 3 only, so 1 1 1. So therefore you can write it here LCM is equal to, or you can also write is equal to below the equal to. Okay, आप यहाँ इक्वल टू के नीचे इक्वल टू भी रख सकते हो, देन कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो, और यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट LCM. 2 2 जा 4, 4 into 3, 4 3 जा 12. Okay, so here you have find out what is the value of x, so you will write the answer. This is your answer, and numbers has been find out 12, so you can see 12 has been given in A option, so you will write it here A. Here x represents the common the smallest common multiple of three numbers. In the question it has been given. Okay, x represents the smallest common multiple of the three numbers, so you will write it here x is equal to 12. Clear? So it was your answer number 3rd. Now next question from next page, please turn over. Okay, now students, this is your page number 4 of today's class, and question number 4. Now look here. Saima thought a number, full stop, she multiplied her number with 399 and got an answer between 3,300 and 3,900, full stop. Which of these could be the number that Saima thought of? Okay, numbers has been given as like option A 5, B 8, C 9 and D 10. So first try to understand the question. In the question it has been given Saima thought a number. Saima ने एक नंबर सोचा. She multiplied her number with 399. उसने 399 से उस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई किया, एंड गॉट एन आंसर बिटवीन 3,300 एंड 3,900. और फिर उसने क्या किया, उस आंसर को जो रिसीव हुआ उसे मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद दैट आंसर बिटवीन 3,300 एंड 3,900, वो आंसर हमारा क्या 3,300 एंड 3,900 के मिड का है, बीच का है, कहीं कोई नंबर है. मिड मतलब कि एकदम बीच का नहीं, मतलब इसी में के बीच का कोई ना कोई नंबर है. विच ऑफ दीज कुड बी द नंबर दैट साइमा थॉट ऑफ. आपको ये बताना है कि नंबर जो साइमा ने सोचा था वो नंबर कौन सा था. ओके, सो लुक इट ऑल्सो. So look the solutions, students. It is so easy. Here you will only find out the multiples of 399. Okay, so she multiplied her number with 399. Okay, so you will write it here. Multiples of first you will write first 10 multiples of 399. Okay, first 10 multiples you can see it here. इट मीन्स आपको 399 में 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, देन 2, देन 3, देन 4, देन 5, ऐसे करते हुए 10 तक ले जाना है. सो वी हैव फाइंड आउट द मल्टीपल्स 399, देन आफ्टर दैट 399 2 जा, देन 399 3 जा, देन 399 4 जा, देन 399 5 जा, देन 399 6 जा, ओके, देन 399 7 जा, देन 399 8 जा, 3192, then 399 9 ja, and 399 10 ja. Okay, so here we have find out the first 10 multiples of 399. So students, you can see it in the question it has been given number you will answer you have find out 3,300 and 3,900 के बीच का कोई आंसर है. ओके, सो यू विल फाइंड आउट द दैट आंसर. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं 3,300 एंड 3,900 के यहाँ की डिजिट कोई है. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can find out that number is between 3,300 and 3,900 and it has been come from at the time of 9 times. So 9 times पर आपको ये नंबर मिला है. So it means Saima has multiplied with the multiple of her number. So multiply with her number is 9. यानी Saima ने जो नंबर थॉट किया था वो क्या था? 9 था. Okay, so you will write it here. So you will write it, so multiple or is equal to, so multiplied with 399 Saima got number is equal to 3,591. Therefore Saima thought number is equal to 9. So you will write the answer C. Okay, Saima thought number is equal to 9. Clear students? It means आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. Firstly you will find out the multiples of 399. 10 multiples. Okay, 10 multiples. When you have find out it, then you can find out the numbers between 3,300 and 3,900. Okay, 10 times has also given here answer, but we have multiplied with 10, so we have find out 3,990 and it is more than 3,900. So this is not your answer. So we have find out the answer between the number 3,300 to 3,900 is 3,591. Okay, so this is your answer. Clear students? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query.